Let's apply method 1. We have 16 to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m equals 36 to the power of m. Let's have 16 as a product of 4 times 4 to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m. Let's have 36 as 9 times 4 in parentheses to the power of m. Then when you have a times b all in parentheses to the power of n equals as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So from here we have 4 to the power of m times 4 to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m equals this 4 to the power of m times 9 to the power of m. 4 to the power of m is common between these. Factor it out to be 4 to the power of m. This divided by this will be 4 to the power of m plus 1 equals 4 to the power of m times 9 to the power of m. Now, this 4 to the power of m, we cancel out this. We have 4 to the power of m plus 1 equals 9 to the power of m. Now, let's divide through by 9 to the power of m. So from here we have 4 to the power of m over 9 to the power of m. We can have this one as 1 to the power of m over 9 to the power of m equals 1. When you have a to the power of n over b to the power of n equals as a over b to the power of n. So we have 4 over 9 to the power of m plus 1 over 9 to the power of m equals 1. Now, we can have this 4 and in base 2, this 9 in base 3. We have 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of m. Then we have 1 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 in base m, or to the power of m, sorry, equals 1. Now, from here, we can have this as 2 over 3 to the power of 2m. We can also have this 1 over 3 to the power of 2m equals 1. Then let us recall, we can have 1 as 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. When you find the LCM, we have it to be 3, 2 plus 1. And this will be equal to 3 over 3. This will give us 1. So having it here will be 2 over 3 to the power of 2m plus 1 over 3 to the power of 2m will be equals 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. We can have 2 over 3 to the power of 2m plus 1 over 3 to the power of 2m. Let's have them in parentheses as 2 over 3 to the power of 1. It will give us back 2 over 3. Then 1 over 3 to the power of 1. Now, we have from here 2m equals 1. So dividing through by 2, we have m to be equals 1 over 2. So we have m to be equals 1 over 2. By, we can equate this and this, meaning we have 2 over 3 to the power of 2m equals 2 over 3 to the power of 1. Or we have 1 over 3 to the power of 2m equals 1 over 3 to the power of 1. Equating them, we have this. Now, let us now check we have 16 to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m equals 36 to the power of m. When m equals 1 over 2, here will be 16 to the power of 1 over 2. This will be 4 to the power of 1 over 2. So going to be equals 36 to the power of 1 over 2. This equals root of 16. This will be equals root of 4. This will be equals root of 36. Now, so we have this. Root of 16 is 4. Root of 2 is 2. Root of 36 is 6. We have 2 plus 4. 6 equals 6. So the left equals to the right hand side. And this tells us that m equals 1 over 2 is correct.